Listen close, can you hear the sound? From the earth below to the skies around. Every life is sacred, every heartbeat pure. They are part of us, that's one thing sure. In the jungle's depths, the tiger prowls. In the midnight air, the one who howls. They've got a voice, but we fail to hear. Caught in our world, driven by fear.
Production.
The seas are alive, the forests breathe, but we take it all, we just deceive. Their homes are burning, their waters dry, but they deserve to live, not just to die. Stand for the wild, let them be free. Every creature's got a right to see. From the soaring hawk to the gentle D. Let's build a world where they can live without fear. Stand for the wild, here they plea. Protect the land, the air, the sea. This is their earth, as much as ours. Let's heal together, under the stars. Think of the elephant, mighty and wise, or the dolphins swimming under golden skies. They teach us balance, they show us grace, but we push them aside, taking their space. Every prow that runs, every wing that flies, every animal under the endless skies. They are not just creatures, they are family too. If we stand for them, they will stand for you. Let's protect what we can before it's gone. Every life is a verse in nature's song, from the smallest ant to the great blue whale. Together we thrive, divided we fail. Stand for the wild, let them be free. Every creature's got a right to see. From the soaring hawk to the gentle deer. Let's build a world where they can live without fear. Stand for the wild, here they plea. Protect the land, the air, the sea. This is their earth, as much as ours. Let's heal together, under the stars. So, let's rise up, answer the call. Respect for the creatures, respect for all. Dynasty King speaks, let's make it right. For the wild, for the earth, under the light.